is June 5th, World Environment Day. One of the most important day in the present day global situation. And we really love the nature, we really love the environment. And this is not just our words, but you can see this from our campus itself. The entire campus is full of trees, and we are also going to plant many more trees in the campus so that always the plants and trees will help humanity by giving oxygen. And certainly it is our duty and responsibility to love them, to sustain them, not only for us, but for the coming generation also. Thank you very much.
Today, when we celebrate the World Environmental Day, June 5th, Sri Sharada Vidyalaya Kaladi has come up with many programs. But when we talk about a day, we talk about the celebrating that day on that day itself. But the theme for today's World Environmental Day is Time for Nature. It's not one day. The theme itself reflects that every day, every human being on earth should think about protecting our nature, to nourish our nature. Have you noticed how beautiful the world looks like, how beautiful the surroundings look like when we just push back to our homes for some days? So just think how we were handling our environment. So can't we reflect upon the situations, what is happening around? Today, we were lucky to have in the morning with us to share with our children, the guest of the day, Mr. Kalesh. He had some wonderful ideas which he has put to children. Yes, we have to go back to the olden days and learn the good lessons from them and seek the help of the learnings and experiences which our old generation has accumulated over years. The amount of water we spend and we destroy the world around. The amount of soap which we use excessively, he was pointing out. He was asking the children, when we talk about all different varieties of cars in the world out, why don't our young generation move on to some of the developed countries as they are doing to cycling, which will help you to remain healthy and also stress-free, and also one advantage is that you are safeguarding your environment. Think in a second thought what he has put into is, when you develop your health, you will have your stress reduced. The next thing what he was pointing out was also a big learning for our children. In one of the countries which he traveled, he was pointing out a example. In one of the countries, when you buy a thing, suppose you buy a product which is inside a cover, suppose you buy some chips or some other things which is eatable, you are being given that in a plastic cover, which will naturally is going to come back to environment to destroy that. So the shopkeeper usually charges an additional amount, 1 rupee or 2 rupee for that cover. But who collects back that cover and gives back to the shop is given 2 rupees. See how indirectly this plastic is brought back to see that it is put in the recycling of plastic. So the waste management is the way which we have to adopt our living to. We have to think about in our country. We should think that how all what is being used, which is not needed for the livelihood of every day should be taken out from our schedule. We, each and every individual, should think that how we can reuse and recycle, and how we can adopt these practices into our everyday life. So every day, for small needs, the time for nature is to be conceived in the mind of each and every child. And as an educator, as a teacher, as a principal, what I feel is, if you educate the present generation, if you are able to build these ideas into the primary students and let it become a habit and part of your life, then this will naturally, in a long run from now, our generation next will have a wonderful planet to live on. From all of us at Sri Sharada Vidyalaya Kaladi, we wish a wonderful planet for our future generation. Thank you so much.